Open the cover and remove the toner cartridge. This is a paper feed roller assembly. I warn you, it could be difficult to remove and above all, reinstall the paper roller assembly. First, to attempt to remove the paper rollers, I suggest you to try to clean the rubber rollers with alcohol. On the bottom of the printer, there are two arrows. Remove the two screws that you find in the holes indicated by the arrows. Now you can remove the paper roller assembly. Slide it to the right and remove it. For a reason that I don't know, the Samsung guys installed a sensor in the paper feed roller assembly with a connector inserted in the mainboard. To detach the cable, push the hook and lift up the sensor. Remove the connector. This is the paper roller assembly. Reinstall the cable. Insert the connector. Reinstall the support of the connector. Now the difficult part, the reinstallation. Here, on the side of the assembly, there is a cross. It must be inserted into the crossed rod inside the printer. The tabs on the top of the assembly must be in the holes in the metal bar in this way. Holding the assembly in position with one hand, reinsert the two screws. You'll need a strong magnetic screwdriver, and with some luck, you'll be able to insert the screws in the holes in less than 1 hour. However, once you insert the first screw, the second will be easier.